Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. It seems it's working now, and it will be working when I'm gonna switch from tab to tab. If you were here last week, maybe you saw I was basically talking and reading stuff, but you weren't able to actually see what I was talking about. So this week, let's hope it works. It should be working. So first of all, I want to start this week by giving a big shout out to our community members. Um, I'm monitoring everything, and I saw you two people, Daniel and T-Mac, if you're watching. Really thank you for retweeting, sharing, building content about what Aurora is doing. Um, don't worry, we haven't been taking care and spending a lot of time on the community, but from next week, with the onboarding of a new community manager, we're going to be much closer. You're going to have activities, you're going to have ways to contribute, and you're going to be incentivized for it. So thank you so much for standing close to us, and most things are coming. So without further ado, let me start by asking you if you're on Twitter or if you're on YouTube, go on Twitter and retweet and like and share any question that you have during this alpha leak. This helps us spread the word and get me more people onboarded and understand a bit more what we're doing. So let me start firstly with it's been a crazy month. In traditional industries, the month of August is really calm, but in Web3 and blockchain, it never stops. So this month of August, we've been rolling out, in short, the BTC Lite client that we launched for Near. Near Protocol rolled out the chain signature on mainnet, which made it available for everything built on Aurora, which is dApps or virtual chain. And also, we've been explaining a bit more around the Aurora Cloud and what does it mean. So let me go one by one. Again, if you can retweet, like those posts, it gets a message around. So firstly, it was about the BTC Lite client and relayer service that allows to bridge Bitcoin and Near protocol. Really, this was a big work. Shout out to the engineer team on this, and shout out for Near for helping us spread this message and the information about this. What it allows Near to do is basically onboard Bitcoin, but also dApps and other type of assets such as SRC20, BRC20, etc., that are native on Bitcoin network. And out of this, so after the launch of the BTC Lite client, we saw the first use case being developed, being Satoshi Bridge. Basically, what it allows you to do, it allows you to move Bitcoin to Near protocol, which is extremely cool, and opens new doors for innovation and also for onboarding more liquidity. Then something else, we did a small thread on the cross-contract calls for virtual chain as well as chain signatures. What does it concretely mean? It means that you're able, when you build a virtual chain or a dApp with Aurora, on Aurora for the dApp or on Near for virtual chain, that you are straight away chain abstracted from the get-go, which is extremely cool. And in a world where we're seeing more and more blockchain being developed, being able to build something and already connect with most of them is extremely helpful to onboard more users and exchange community between those different ecosystems. Then something else, this is part of something we've been trying to do for the past 3 months, is basically sharing more in different way. What is Aurora, what we're building, different information regarding explanation on what is Aurora Cloud, Aurora Virtual Chain, how does Aurora sit in the Near ecosystem. So here you're able to understand how does Aurora Cloud and its virtual chain fits in the chain abstraction narrative, which is strongly pushed by NEAR and which we are part of. Then something cool. There's haven't been a lot of marketing about it, but we're in discussion with the team at DYDX. Basically, we had a proposal to add Aurora at DYDX. We'll be meeting them pretty soon to discuss more about how we can make the market, their community more aware, and the overall market more aware of this news. Then Pipeflare, one of our ecosystem projects, has been delivering nonstop, and right now you're able to participate in Pyro Mining Rush, where you're able to get incentivized by receiving some tokens. Then something that was super cool is T-Pro, one of the first virtual chain that launched, or Silo, some would call it Silo, but right now we're calling it virtual chain, that launched on Aurora. We did basically a webinar where we went over what they built, and also they shared with us, and I'll show a bit later a short, shared with us why they decided to go with Aurora and why they decided to build a virtual chain and what they got out of it. So if you're a builder, it's really interesting to look at. Also, if you're a builder and you want to know more about what we're doing or ask more questions, feel free to join our Discord. Slava, our amazing DevRel, will be happy to answer your question. Then we still have a waiting list campaign going for a cashback program where basically you will be able to buy with your Aurora token from different shops around the world and get, no, you won't be able to buy with Aurora tokens, but you will receive some cashback in Aurora token once you buy on certain platform. So for example, StockX. Again, here's another example of how we try to explain a bit more about how Aurora fits in the NEAR protocol ecosystem, and specifically how virtual chain help expand the power of NEAR protocol. So please read this or help us spread the love by tweeting about it and liking it. And lastly, something super cool is NEAR Week is delivering a newsletter on a weekly basis. And they mention us specifically regarding cross-contract calls, which is super cool. So shout out to NEAR Week. If you are not following them, please follow them. So that's it for the month. Maybe what I'm going to do is go over some latest news. One is basically on Allstake, you're able to stake your Aurora tokens. Right now, in terms of total stake comparison with other projects in terms of pools, Aurora is the third one. So feel free to have a look, try it out. Again, nothing is financial advice. Try it at your own risk, do your own research, but this is part of NEAR ecosystem, and we're super happy to be working with those people. Here is a video I was talking about without the sound, where basically you have T-Pro, the CEO at T-Pro, who gives an explanation a bit more about in the journey in launching the product when we met and decided to partner together, why they decided to go for a virtual chain and what they got out of it. So I invite you to have a look. It's on our Twitter. You can find it very easy. Here's where in NEAR Week they mention us. Basically, here you go. Basically, as I said last a few minutes ago, they mention us, and it's really a great way to get a condensed information about what is happening in the NEAR ecosystem. You'll see more and more collaboration between us and NEAR Week. You've been seeing a lot lately, but you're going to see more and more. And to end all this, I'd like to give a big shout out to one of our ecosystem projects. They're building in silence, but you're going to see they've been gaining a lot of traction. It's basically a tap to earn game. If you're familiar with other tap to earn like hamster karate hamster Notcoin, etc., you won't be lost. It's very easy to use. You use it directly on Telegram. So please click here, open it on your Telegram, start playing, and you have some daily tournaments where you're able to receive some tokens for participating in this. You'll see more and more projects coming to Aurora. We're in a growth phase, so make sure to stay close with us. Make sure to follow us on Twitter and to help us spread the news. So that's it from my side. I'm gonna be super happy when I'm gonna see 1 million of those questions. Sharing the wrong screen. Did I share again the wrong screen? Not sure. Hello, everyone. Where's Alex? Where's Alex? I don't know. No, I know. Basically, Alex has been traveling to US to meet with some of our investors. Right now, he's in a plane over the Atlantic Ocean. He'll be coming back today, this evening, I believe, and he'll be able to host the stream next week. Where's Oleg? I don't know. Where's Oleg? So I think that's it. If you have more questions, if you have feedbacks again on those also Alpha Leaks, we're glad if you can share those. We're super happy and grateful for anyone who's joining those Alpha Leaks, and looking forward to having more of you guys. Thank you very much, and have a great Friday and a great weekend. See you.